Hi and welcome back. Today I have my June kit lineup. Because I have the monthly kit, I thought I would start with that. So I have this kit from Your World of Colour. Can't remember what the name of it is, but all the monthlies on her shop, you can pick which day it starts with and the month it's for. I do PR for Your World of Colour, so you can use code CAS10 for 10% off and mention my name at checkout and you will get my sampler freebie. So you just have the top washi bits where the date covers are, some date covers, and then you have these for the blank days and your sidebar, and then some boxes and some functionals. I'm re-recording this portion because the kit for the 5th to the 11th wasn't here. It has now arrived and we are the 1st of June, so I've got to quickly record this extra portion because my kit lineup video goes up tomorrow. As you see in this, it's the day it goes up. But I have the Funfair kit from Strawberry Lime Designs. I thought this kit would be perfect for this week as it is our town's carnival on the 10th. So as I'm filming, it's the 1st, so this is my kit for next week. So I'm so glad it's come today, otherwise I would have had to change what kit I used. So that is the kit for the 5th to the 11th of June. Moving on to June the 12th to the 18th, I have this BU Pride kit from Jolly Sticks. So I have the full boxes, and then these were the add-ons. One is an add-on for this kit and the other is an add-on for the other Pride kit that she has. So I thought I'd pick up both. Then you have some more boxes and then your half boxes, some half checklists and some labels, your date covers, date dots, weekend banner, flags and some functional stickers. Then you've got your check boxes, half boxes, labels and some trackers. And then you have some glitters, some deco and your scripts. Then June the 19th to the 25th, I have this summertime kit from the Plump Planner. So you have your full boxes, half boxes, another full box, some washi strips, deco and weekend banner, your bottom washi, some headers and trackers, some labels, date dots and date covers, checklists, some more boxes and some functionals, all your labels and half boxes. And then I added this unwind glitter add-on from Planner Face because there's not enough glitters in the kit, and I am going to pair that with some gold foil from Laura's Sticker Co. So I have these quote overlays, some confetti headers, the bow washi overlays and the confetti washi overlays. Then lastly, the 26th to the 2nd of July, I'm using the resort kit from Strawberry Lime Designs. So you have your full boxes. These are the extra fashion girls that come with the kit. I ordered the add-on boxes, the add-on glitters and the add-on washi. And then the rest of the kit is some more decorative boxes, your date covers, and then square boxes, half boxes, and some labels. Your washi, labels, and half boxes. And then some check boxes, some more labels. And then I thought I would pair this with some lilac foil to go with the lilac that's in the kit. So that is my June kit lineup. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm thankful for all the support I have over here, and I will see you in my next one.